Welcome to Lingala Institute. In this YouTube video, I will be showing you how to track 300 latest videos from any YouTube channel. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to track your competitors. You will know how to get the number of views, number of comments and all, and you can then check the increase. For example, if you track them today and you come back 2 days later, this is the views like that we collect today. You come back 2 days later, you will be able to tell the increase. Okay, so this is what we're doing in this tutorial. You need the channel ID. The script is available. I will be leaving a link below this video to the Google Sheet, and once you get to the Google Sheet, all you have to do is to make a copy of the spreadsheet, and the script will be copied as well. You'll see all that in this tutorial. So first thing first, we start by getting the channel ID. And where do you get the channel ID from? You get the channel ID on, like here, you right click on the channel name of a video from the channel that you want to track, right click, copy the link and paste it, and grab this 24 character. That's the channel ID. And some channel IDs look like this. If you are in this situation, don't worry, just click on any video from the channel and right click the channel name and copy the URL and just get the channel ID, the 24 characters. In most cases, the channel ID will look like this one here. Okay, just highlight, copy, and that's it. Bring it to the spreadsheet here and paste it here. Okay, so once you paste the channel ID, do not mess with cell B1. Only paste here in cell A1. You paste the channel ID here, and also be very careful not to mess with anything from these three rows. Don't touch them. And the first thing to do after copying the spreadsheet is to make this, the header. Okay, you go to view, you highlight A3. Okay, you go to view and freeze up to current row, row 3. Once you do that, then all this will be the header, and you'll understand why. Okay, the script is here already written. Two functions, one called video IDs and the other one called track videos. Okay, we'll come back to this in a minute. Let me just first delete everything so that you can see the function in action. Okay, to delete, I highlight this row 4. Okay, control shift or command shift, then arrow down. Okay, good. Everything is highlighted. Everything that I don't need is highlighted. Backspace, that's it. Everything is deleted. Okay, I leave my header because I need it. Now we're going to use the function to get everything back, and I will just spend time explaining, but the main thing to remember is, if you want to make a copy, you'll make a copy, and you will also have the script. Do not mess with the header, because that's where the magic happens. And just here, the channel ID goes there. The channel ID has 24 characters. Okay, now we are back at the script. The first script is called video IDs. If you do not need 300 videos, if the channel that you are trying to track has less than 300 videos, you will only get those videos. Okay, if it has more, you will only get 300 latest videos. If you need more than that, then you have to let me know and offer some money for me, to do the work for you. Okay. All right, video IDs. Let us track them. The function is called import video IDs, and I will not spend time explaining the function. I will only call the function, and we see the result. Okay, you may have to go to resource and advanced Google services and click on advanced Google services. You go all the way down, you turn all these on. Okay, YouTube Analytics on, YouTube Content ID API on, YouTube Data API on, then click OK. You probably don't need these two, but if you just get the very bottom one, YouTube Data API v3, if this is on, that's it, that's all you need, and you click OK. All right, so now let's go, let's call the function. Press play to get the channel, the video IDs. Okay, play. All right, it's working. Okay, this doesn't really take much time. It's there all the way down. How many videos? All the way down. Okay, this channel has more than 350 videos. Okay, so now we need to get the title of the videos, the views, and upload dates, number of comments, and all that. Okay, now we are calling the second function. The second function is track videos. Okay, press play. This will take some time. Okay, still working. It's working. Let's wait until it reach the bottom. I will improve it, but for now, it take a few seconds, maybe 2 minutes to complete. So while it's completing, I will just emphasize this here, increase. The increase column, what we'll do is we will take the view columns and paste it in reference column. Okay, once we paste it, then the increase column will be 0 on the first day when you are collecting data. This will be 0. Okay, we will copy all this. I'm just waiting for the function to complete. We will copy all this here to reference column. Once we copy it, then here we'll have 0, 0, 0, 0. There'll be no increase. If you come back 48 hours later, then you'll see the increase. From there, focus on all the videos that gets a lot of views. Try to understand why those videos get a lot of views, so many views, and also the purpose is to have inspiration. Okay, the function is still running. It takes some time, like I told you, it's still running. Okay, be patient. Okay, I think it almost has completed. No, not yet. It's still running. Try to be patient. It's 328 videos. There's a way to make the function run faster, but for now, this is what I can manage to do. Okay, so don't mess with the header. Highlight once you make the copy for your own copy of the spreadsheet. Highlight and select cell A3 or something, and go to view, freeze up to current row. Okay, the function finished running. We have the comments, the title, the upload date, and the channel name. Maybe I shouldn't have put them there, but anyway, it doesn't hurt. Google developers. That's the channel where I got the channel ID from. Okay, so from here, what you do is, you see the thumbnail. The top one will have the thumbnail automatically. What you do, you select the cell G3. You select G3 where the thumbnail is. You see this square here. There's a square here. You put the mouse on top, and the mouse will turn into a cross. Once it's look like a cross, you click twice very fast. Okay, then the thumbnail will appear, for all other videos. You do the same thing here for the URL of the videos. You look for the plus sign on top of the square here in the corner. Double click twice very fast. Okay, that's it. It's done, but it's not finished yet. The next thing we're doing is to copy the reference. Okay, click on cell D3, Control or Command Shift arrow down, Control C to copy. I come here, reference column I3, select it, Control V, paste. Okay, now from I3 to I352 and D3 to D52, they are equal. These two columns are equal. Okay, now the last thing we're doing is here J3 here. At J3 we look for the plus again, the square, and put the mouse on top, and the square, the mouse turn into a plus sign, and click twice very quickly. Okay, now everything is 0. Okay, if you are running your experiment, after 48 hours, when you come back, then the increase will increase. Okay, the views that have the views that these videos received from now will be here. Okay, you will have the view increase. Then from there you focus on all the videos. The older videos are at the bottom. Okay, you focus on them so that you can know what videos still get views. Videos from 2019, 2018, whatever. Okay, why they're still getting views. Okay, so you focus on them. From there you'll have some insights. That's what they call them. You'll have insights, then maybe you'll have some success on YouTube. Okay, so it's if it doesn't work, okay, if this plus you double click, it doesn't work, don't worry, you can just do it manually, down, all the way down. Okay, good. You do the same thing here, plus, down, okay, good. All right, that's it. This one you don't need to do it. This data come from column D. Don't delete views. Column D3, you select the cell, Control Shift arrow down, Control C to copy. Then you come to reference, I3, Control V to paste. That's it. It's equal. 2 days later or a week later or something, you come back here. To get here, what you need to do is to click on Tools. You click on Tools, it will bring you here. Once you are here, you start from you don't need video IDs anymore. Okay, if you want to experiment for a new channel, you delete everything from from A4. Okay, from cell A4 down, you delete everything. If you want to experiment, to get data from a different channel, whatever, this is what you do. You click on this row, Control Shift arrow down, delete. You delete everything, then you change the channel ID and you run the experiment. You get data for a new YouTube channel. Okay, so that's about it. You don't need video ID if you are running, you are getting data to sort of check the increase. You don't need to get the channel IDs because it will disturb everything. All you do is you go to track videos. At the moment, if I track them, there'll be nothing. There'll be no increase because time has not passed yet. I've just collected the data. It takes time for the server to update. Okay, so that's it. That's the script I wrote for you. Copy the script. You will copy the spreadsheet. You will automatically have the script as well. Okay, if you want, like, for 10,000 or whatever, 10,000 videos, 5,000 videos, yeah, just bring some offer and I will see what I can do for you. Or you want me to make it faster, yeah, just talk to me and we'll see what we can do. Okay, thank you so much. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. I will be making more videos like this. Give it a script and make your life easier. Like and comment, please. Thank you so much. Bye bye.